Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 4 of the spoopy scary stuff. So I want to do kind of like a half glam, half stone face kind of look, so I'm gonna try to pull that off. I don't really know what I'm gonna call it. I found this on this look on Google, so I'm not really sure who to credit. It doesn't have a tag or anything, so I don't know who to credit, but I like this idea, so I'm gonna try to do it, yeah? So before I do the glam or anything, I want to do the outline as to where I want the half to be. So I'm grabbing the Aqua XL eye pencil by Makeup Forever right here in black. I'm gonna start doing the outline, so I want to move my freakishly long sideburns away, and I want to go like about here where I start to contour pretty much, and I just want to go and make a line, but I don't want it to just be a regular line. I kind of want to bring it up and then back down. And I want to bring it around my nose area, like around here, and then I just kind of want to go back down and stuff. So I think that's how I want to do it. So then this part up here will be glam, and then this part down here will be like stone face. So there's our outline, and I want this portion down here to be the stone face, and I want this portion up here to be my glam. We're gonna start with the glam part, and I'm gonna grab my Master Primer by Maybelline and squeeze some out, just a small amount since we're not doing our full face. And I'm gonna put that in between my fingers. I'm just gonna apply that on the areas that I can actually put makeup on. So I'm gonna grab my Revlon new Photo Ready Candid Foundation in the shade 340, and I'm gonna put that on the glam part of my face. I'm just gonna pump. 3 pumps did my whole face, so I'm gonna do 1 pump this time just to see, because I don't want to overdo it. And I'm gonna grab my damp beauty blender and go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna try to stay as away from the line. I'll probably do that with a brush. So, and I just want to do the glam portion of my face. Okay, so now that the foundation is put on, it's not really all that well, honestly, but we're just gonna keep going because for the sake. I'm gonna grab the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Concealer, and I'm gonna put that under my eyes so we can conceal, obviously. I'm only gonna grab a small amount though. I'm only gonna do like a couple dots, because I don't want, you know, concealer usually goes down all the way down here, and I can't do that. So, and I'm gonna grab my Vasanti concealer buffer brush right here, and I'm gonna buff that out into where it needs to be. Okay, so now that the concealer is down, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Coty Airspun powder, and I'm gonna use the beauty blender to apply it since I have very limited space. I don't want to use the powder puff because I don't want to do too much. I'm not going to use the powder puff because I don't want to like put it where it doesn't need to be. So I'm going to grab my damp beauty blender, and I'm going to go ahead and place that right under here. Now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I wanted to go for a little rainbow look, but it might not work. I'm not sure, so I'm going to try to go as see as I go. And yeah, so I'm going to use the Morphe 35B palette right here, and I'm going to look and find out what I want first. Okay, so first I'm going to grab this shade right here, and I'm going to put that all on my lid just to kind of set the concealer that's there. Okay, so I'm going to grab this orange right here, this nice muted orange kind of. I'm going to grab that and put that into my crease. Now I'm going to grab this yellow right here and I'm going to put that right over it on the crease. The excess and just go right in there as well. So now I'm going to grab this orange right here and I'm going to go right slightly underneath the yellow. I don't want to overpower the yellow, so I want to go right underneath it right here and just blend in the orange. I'm going to grab this white right here in the palette and I'm going to pack that on into the lid. And you're just going to keep doing that until... And I'm going to pack it onto the lid and just do it until you feel it's bright enough. So... And if you guys really feel like it, you guys can cut the crease and then put the white just to make it stick. But if you don't want to, you could just pack it on like that. Then I'm going to grab that... Now I'm going to grab that same orange color we used in the crease and I'm going to clean it up and put it in the outer corners. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my Lottie London stamp liner and I'm going to go ahead and do the wing. So I'm going to grab the wing side of my liner and I'm going to place that right here. And do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to grab the felt tip side right here and I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Okay, so for my waterliner, I'm going to use the exact same Aqua XL Makeup Forever pencil that I did to use the line. And I'm going to put that into my waterline. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara right here. And I'm going to be putting that on as mascara, obviously, I just said that. Okay, so only 2 more steps before we go ahead to the stone part of our face. So next up, I want to bronze up the face, but I'm only going to bronze up, obviously, up here. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Cosmetics Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm going to be going into Angle right here, and I'm going to use that to bronze up my face a little bit. And I'm going to use the Wet n Wild angled brush so that I can do so. I am all bronzed up. I'm going to do highlight, which I'm going to grab the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette in Solstice. And I'm going to grab this pink shade right here. And I'm going to use my highlighting brush, which is my favorite brush in the world. This is the AOA Studio F19 brush. And I'm going to go into that pink shade right here. Very lightly because this is blinded. Then I'm going to go right into my cheek. So the top portion of our face is done, which I'm kind of liking. It's alright, it's not what I wanted it to be, but it's working. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, this is a metallic white face paint. So I'm going to squirt some out and we're going to start putting that all over our face. Well, let's start painting. Okay, so honestly speaking, I feel like I look more like a tin person than I do stone. So I decided to change up the look. And we're gonna go with being a tin person. Okay? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna grab, so to make it more like a tin person, I'm sorry, my face is so tight right here. Okay. To make it more like a tin person, I'm going to grab that same Lottie London liner and I'm gonna grab the felt tip area. And I'm gonna go and start making like panels. So, you know, like panels of metal that are stuck together. So we're gonna go ahead and make a line right here. right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and like split it down here, and I'm gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna draw circles to make it look like the bolts that keep it together. Like that. And I'm gonna keep doing that all around my face to kind of obviously make it look like there's panels of metal everywhere. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the bolts on the edges. Now it looks like I have a bunch of metal panels kind of keeping me together, which I actually really love this idea. So, and here we are with the final look. I actually really love this. It looks like I'm an android, and I think that's awesome. It definitely wasn't what I was going for in the beginning, but it ended up working out. So I hope you guys like this look. I definitely do. It looks nice. You guys can bring it down to your neck and make it look a little more believable. I'm just doing my face because obviously I'm not going to wear this all day, and yeah, so I personally really love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys make it look so much prettier and so much nicer than I definitely did. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out if you haven't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Spooky Sylvia, and I am an aspiring MUA. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. I will leave everything I use in this video down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.